Here, welcome to all my dear students. Myself, Dr.J.K.Sali. In the last lecture, we had seen significance of form design and principles of form design. Today, we are going to learn office manual, contents of the office manual. So, let's start with the new topic, office manual and contents of the office manual. Introduction of office manual. Some banks, insurance and companies, department stores, and public utilities employ thousands of office workers. They are operating the branch offices on a national scale. A large number of office workers. The large number of persons affected make it describable. The general information, regulations into the writing. For example, the kinds of instruction are those found in some departments, store organizations. New employee is given a small handbook, the rules and regulations of the company. Their vacation and similar matter are the printed. The procedure is formed, saves time for the workers. This is the important purpose of the office manual. The instruction may be clear and complete. The manual benefits not only the employer but also the employee. They have written from the instructions, rules and regulations. Each employee receiving a manual can be held in responsible for them. Office manual that describes the steps in the performance of the duty and sometimes referred as a manual of standard practice, such as the credits and loans, foreign exchange and trust division. These manuals of standard practice, the advantages go with the standardization. The responsibilities and uniform requirements. Office manual must give information regarding the policy. The definition of office manual. According to George R. Terry, an office manual has been defined as a document disclosing the information about an organization, its setup, conditions of employment, and the established system, routine, procedures, methods, standards, rules and regulations of an office operations. The organization has a number of branches, departments, or sections, or divisions. The thousands of employees are employed in large size organizations. It is very difficult to control the employees by the management. The guidelines given in writing to the employees, management can control the employees very easily. Misunderstanding of employees. In this slide, now we will discuss contents of Office Manual. Office Manual contains varieties of information about the organization, the workplace, the work and the workers. They have to be arranged systematically in a classified manner to make them clearly understandable. The various points of contents of Office Manual. The first point of Office Manual is the general information. The name, address, telephone number of the company, its departments and branches, nature of business of the company, organization structure, the names and addresses of the executives. Thereafter, next point is General Office rules and regulations. The office hours and salary structures and leave rules, medical benefits, vacation and holiday arrangement, the promotions, transfers, compensation, accidents, and the disciplinary actions, retirement of the workers. There are the general rules of the office manual. The next point is general office facilities. The location of retiring rooms, lounge rooms, reading rooms, telephone facilities, supplies, and cooperative basis. Next point is safety instructions. The instructions indicate what should be done in the case of fire, accident, serious illness, or any other emergency. The name and address of the doctor or nurse who is in permanent service of the company is also mentioned. Next point is organizational policies. The policies bearing on credit sales, the selection of advertising media, training and development programs, purchase of capital equipment, etc. Next is executive relationship. The relationship between the different executive or department. They are responsible for policy decisions. Next point is job descriptions. The basic function of each job in terms of the authority and responsibility attached to it, that employees may know what is expected of them. Thereafter, next point is standard practice instruction. The instructions relative to repetitive work, They has been standardized, including the instructions for handling incoming and outgoing mail, stationery, filing, etc. Next is general instruction for the performance of non-standardization work. And the last content of office manual is appendix. These contents are the various forms like the specimens forms, the form used by the different departments of the office. So these were the various contents of office manual. Thank you.